Hi everyone, welcome back to another vlog. I realized I never started an intro for this vlog, so here it is. I just got done filming a separate YouTube video, so now I'm just cleaning up the mess that I made. And yeah, it is pretty late in the day, not super late, but later in the day, so I'm gonna start prepping dinner. I gotta go to the grocery store real quick. I need one ingredient for dinner, which is always so annoying, but it's fine. So I'm gonna go do that and I will talk to you guys later. You guys, I just cleaned out my car. I took everything out of her. She's completely empty. I've had her for 3 years and I'm truly gonna miss her. She's been the most amazing car to me. I've not had a single problem for 3 years with her, but it's time for a new girl to come along. So out with the old and in with the new. I put all the stuff, okay, not this is my husband's work stuff, but I put all the stuff from my car into here. And if you don't have 5,000 Chipotle napkins in your car, you're not doing life right. But yeah, she's fine. Oh, John always thinks I'm gonna like die. Super paranoid. So I have an emergency kit. I have 3 different types of bear mace. Yeah, that's it. Out with the old and in with the new, baby. You guys, we got the new baby.
Blackie.
It's so sick. The first time I've ever had a sunroof. We got the captain's chairs. I'm obsessed with this thing. It's so sick. Amazing. I am off to get my nails done, guys. It's been about a month since I got my nails done. They are grown out. They are disgusting. I feel like I kind of want to go with this sparkly vibe right now. I normally hate sparkle on my nails, but Desi Perkins did it, so I got to do it because she knows what's up, and it looked so freaking cute. So I'm going to see if they have any cute sparkly colors, and I think that's what I'm going to do, but my mind may change by the time I get there. So let's go. Come on, guys, and I did my sparkly reflective nail. It's a little pink color. They're super cute. I know sparkle is going to be like a huge thing for the summer and spring, but I hope I don't get sick of them because I'm not used to this, but I kind of want to get like a better angle. But anyways, I came to Trader Joe's because it's right by my nail salon, so whenever I go to my nail salon, I like to just come here real quick. So I'm gonna go in there, see if I see anything good, and yeah, hopefully I get some yummy things. Because whenever I'm like, oh, I'm gonna go crazy at Trader Joe's, I leave with like 2 things. So I really want to get a lot. I want to have lots of good options. I want to like eat at home as much as possible. That is my goal. So let's see what we get. Okay, so I just left Trader Joe's. Got a bunch of snacks that I shouldn't have got, but whatever. Your girl needs snacks sometimes. So I got some snacks just to have like things to munch on once in a while, so I'm not like going into starvation mode, waiting in between meals. And I have to return a dress that I got from Abercrombie. So I decided I'm just gonna do it while I'm out right now. So I got this little chomped stick to keep me full until dinner or until lunchtime. Then I also got this 1 protein bar, and I know it's highly processed, but sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do when you're on the go. So going to return the dress, and then I'm going to head home and make lunch. I've been so go today, but off to the mall. Here is my Trader Joe's haul. I got these corn chip dippers, never tried them, didn't even get dipped for them. So there's that. I got these peanut butter puff snacks. Never tried these before either. This is why you don't go to the grocery store hungry, because you just grab whatever sounds good. Then I got an organic peanut butter. I'm trying to get away from Jif, even though it's so good. The only ingredient is peanuts, so I wanted to try that. And then I got these hash browns that I want to do for like a Sunday morning breakfast. This is not something I want to eat every day, but whatever. And I have these Not the best, like I said, but they looked really good, and I just wanted it maybe for like a little nighttime dessert. And I got the best popcorn ever, cleanest, and then some frozen white rice. I love having this just to throw together real quick for dinner or lunch or whatever. And then I got this acai puree packets. Guys, I've never had an acai bowl before, and I know it's crazy because I'm so into like health and stuff, but never tried it, so I thought I would make one at home. And then I got this spicy Italian chicken sausage. Haven't tried that either. I haven't tried literally like anything that I bought today, but wanted to try this. John's not really a chicken sausage fan, so maybe I'll make it for lunch or something. I'm not sure. And I got peeled garlic, and then my favorite of all time is their green juice. I bought 3 more. I just keep the rest in my garage. But that is everything that I got from Trader Joe's. Hi guys. Okay, this hair though. I just came back from my dad's house. I was hanging out in the backyard with my grandparents a little bit, trying to sit out in the sun. It is the most beautiful day here in Michigan, finally. Let me see. Of course, this is not... It's 84 degrees today, which is unreal. And I was just hanging out, enjoying the sun for a little bit, but now it's time to get back to work. So I'm home. I need to shower because I'm freaking drenched. But I also went to the gym this morning, and I had the craziest workout. I just really been pushing myself. I've been feeling so strong lately. Feels amazing, but I drank so much water because it was so hot and I was so thirsty in the gym. So I'm literally full of water. The only thing I've had today is a protein shake and half of a smoothie, and it's like 3:30. So I really need to eat and get some food in my body because I know I'm gonna start getting super shaky soon. But I'm just like not hungry. I'm full of liquid, but I got to force myself. But yeah, just wanted to update you guys on what I am doing. About to take a shower because I feel disgusting. Guess what I'm doing again, guys? Getting rid of more clothes. I might as well just literally throw out everything that I own and just start over because this is just getting excessive. I'm in my guest room and I have a pile going right now. I'm gonna go through some more stuff, put it in this bin. I'm just really doing the damn thing, and I'm sorry about my freaking appearance, what I'm wearing, everything. I'm just a little bit of a mess, but I'm just trying to get organized here. So let's start getting organized. From Costco, and I just wanted to show you guys a couple things that I picked up. It's nothing exciting, but why not show? I got some raspberries. I got this avocado oil spray. I get this every single time I'm there because this is what I use to cook my food in, because avocado oil has really high heat tolerance, like 500 degree smoke point. I needed some toothpaste, so I got some of that. I got some gloves. I like to use them for cooking when I'm mixed meat and stuff because I dry my hands out so much from washing them so much. I needed new sponges. John wanted some turkey breast for lunch, so I just picked this up. And I have these sheets on my bed currently, and I love them. They were on sale for 35 bucks, so I wanted to pick up a second pair because why not? And then I got this Clorox for colors. Love this. I got some organic strawberries for smoothies. And then I finally got my almonds so I can make my homemade almond milk again. So just a couple things, but that's about it. That I didn't give you any context on what the hell all these clips are that I've been showing. But yesterday we had my stepsister's wedding, which was at the Ovation here in Michigan. It was absolutely gorgeous. It was so beautiful and amazing. Such a cool experience. And tonight we are going to the Joe Rogan show with my sister, comedy show. I'm so excited. I'm just wearing this black blazer white TNA tank top, Abercrombie jeans, and then my Yeezys. I'm not allowed to bring a purse, and my phone has to be locked away, which I'm like, I want to film clips, but whatever. And John got an all black situation here with his new Nike Dunks.
Yep.
These are both new shoes that have never been worn, so that's why we're wearing them in the house. Don't worry. We are
No old shoes in the house.
no old shoes in the house ever. Me and John are pretty crazy about it. But I feel like these curls with this blazer is giving like businesswoman vibes. But whatever, gotta work with what we have. But we're about to leave and I'm excited. I cannot wait to see Joe Rogan. Deep cleaning mode is on, guys. We are getting shit done this Sunday. I look crazy, but I've been cleaning all day. Last night we had the Joe Rogan show and it was amazing. He was so funny. His opening acts were super funny. But now I'm just spending my day cleaning up. Gonna start the day or the week off super fresh and productive. I kind of want to go to the jacuzzi and sauna today at the gym if I get cleaning done in time, because I really feel like my muscles need to relax. I'm super sore and stuff like that. But I'm just gonna finish cleaning, having a super productive Sunday.